Hi friends, today we have a nice exponential equation a to the power b is equal to b to the power a. So we have to find out value of a and b, right? So let's start. Let a is equal to k into b, right? Here k is constant, right? So a to the power b is equal to b to the power a as we have given. If we put value of a as k into b to the power b is equal to b, a as k into b, right? Now k into b to the power b is equal to b to the power k into b. If we multiply both sides power by 1 over b, right? Now we have k into b is equal to b to the power k, right? So k is equal to b to the power k minus 1, this and this, right? So b to the power k minus 1 is equal to k, right? B to the power k minus 1, here k. If we multiply power by 1 over k minus 1, both the sides, 1 over k minus 1, right? So this and this get cancelled out. Now we have b is equal to k to the power 1 over k minus 1, right? As we have assumed a is equal to k into b, right? So a is equal to k, value of b is this, b is equal to this. So k to the power 1 over k minus 1, right? So a is equal to this, power will get at, so a is equal to k to the power k over k minus 1, right? H k is a constant, we can take as 1, 2, 3 up to, right? If we take k as 2, so b is equal to 2 to the power 1 over k minus 1, 1 over 2 minus 1, right? So b is equal to 2 to the power 1, or b is equal to 2, right? Now if we go with this value of a, so a is equal to k as we have assumed 2, we are taking 2, so 2 k over k minus 1, 2 over 2 minus 1, right? So a is equal to 4, right? So b is equal to 2 and a is equal to 4, right? So b is equal to 2, sorry, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 2, right? Okay friends, thank you.